Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you about how to fix left-right sound problem of headphones on your iPhone after iOS 18 update while playing gamed. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. As you can see in the video, left and right sound is playing, but your phone is, or headphones are not giving proper side sounds. This mostly happens while playing games like PUBG and Call of Duty. So you have to open Control Center, then press and hold any empty place. Here, tap on Control Center. Now you have to scroll down all the way until you find Hearing Accessibilities. Here you can see left-right audio. Tap on this option and add it to Control Center. Now, whenever you connect your headphone to your iPhone, turn on this option, and after this, your iPhone will give you proper left and right sound from exact hand freeze. By this way, you can solve the issue of hearing in gaming on iPhone. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more videos like that, and I will see you in the next one.